Today we're headed to Country Fest in Cadott, Wisconsin. What you think, babe?
Do it later. Right there, got wood.
This one will truly be an adventure. First Country Fest in the books for us as a family. With a baby. Kids in tow, we're attending the United States' largest party in a hayfield.
I'm so excited.
Yeehaw! Let's do it. We're on the way to Wisconsin. Along the way, we decided to do a little reprovisioning. Time to stock up. Your shirt's on backwards, Reese. So we parked the motorhome at Walmart and the whole family went in to do a little shopping. We had to make a stop for some groceries in the RV. What you think, babe? So we pulled the RV into a parking lot and did a group grocery shop, and now we're off to a country music festival. I took the baby and did a little bit of breastfeeding while I looked for the food. We have enough to last us through the weekend. All that stuff's good?
Yeah, I think so. Do it later?
Yeah, we can do it later.
Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Back on the road, baby. We love rolling on to the next destination. Quite a busy morning. Had to go to the grocery store over there. Driving. Probably has no idea what I'm talking about. It's super loud in here. But we are headed to a country music festival. We have about 3 hours left in our drive, and then we'll be there. And I can't wait to party. I'll make it out without going insane. Normally, when we do stuff like this, we don't worry about firewood because when we get there, we just drive and search.
Yeah, and usually there's a house nearby that's selling wood.
Yeah, and it's usually like cheap and solid.
Right here, I don't have a
good wood.
Look, right there, got wood.
Look at that.
I got 2 for, or 3 for 2 for 5. Pay here. Oh, you just pay. That's cool. So bundles 3 each or 2 for 5.
How much cash do you have?
I have a couple 5s.
Oh, you found $20.
The country, like places like this, you'll find more like honor system, like they trust that you'll pay. So it's like, here, just take what you want and leave the money. Some people wouldn't leave the money, right?
Let's take it and run.
So what is 2 times 4?
8.
Boom, we get 8 of them. So Reese, I'm gonna just move this. You go ahead and load them all up. So put that in there.
Bye-bye.
Nicely done.
Yeah, go ahead.
I know it hurt. Dad, what do I do now?
Carry it.
Good job, guys. We're all set. Campfires, country music, family, drinks, and more. Sounds pretty perfect to me.
2 more.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna jam that shoulder up there. Yeah.
Jeremiah loves the Jeep. He says there's so much room.
I'm shocked we put 8 of these in here.
That should make you happy. Let's watch this unfold. That was done so gracefully. I'm sure the stroller will work for us for a long time. 8 bundles of firewood that should last us. Today is Tuesday. We're one of the first ones there when you look at the whole big picture of how many will be there. We got a nice little spot. We got 2 spots. Got our wristbands, got our shuttle to make it easy with the baby, paid for that for 3 of us, and we'll be here until Sunday. First Country Fest in the books for us as a family with a baby. Are we crazy? A couple of the local families here had the goal of bringing Nashville to Cadott, Wisconsin. Since then, the festival has become known as the largest party in a hayfield. Celebrated as the largest 3-day country music and camping event in the U.S., we had to attend, and it did not disappoint. Tomorrow is day 1. Hello! You ready for your first country music festival?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you like country music?
Some of it.
Yeah.
Johnny Cash, yeah. Is Johnny Cash going to be here?
No, he's not going to be here.
He's dead.
Do you like country music?
I don't know, because I was just born like 8 months ago.
she did it herself. Oh man, see that?
Oh no, she's gonna start crying.
Yeah.
I got a cowboy hat at the country fest that we're at.
How's your lunch, guys? Oh, looks like our neighbors are coming in.
Oh really?
Uh-oh. So, what do you think of Country Fest so far?
Great. It hadn't really started, but Brittany had to be working.
What is that noise? Shows what really is going on here. We're at Country Fest, but we still have to make videos.
Yeah. We're filming, we're editing, and we're trying to enjoy the night. But the good thing is, it gets like 90 degrees in the day, but the thing is like, all the good artists come on at night. So like last night, we didn't go over there until like 9:30.
Yeah. We only went over for an hour, and then tonight is really night one.
Right, so tonight we're gonna pack up and we're gonna go over there, you know, try to watch, you know, artists that we know, and then show the kids some fun.
Neighbors coming in. You little girl needs to go in the back with daddy so I can do voiceover. Moving spots again, third time's a charm.
Well, we went saw the like Class A's down this like flat area. We're up on a hill, kinda, not really perfectly level. It's okay, but there's also like teenagers all around us. So we saw a bunch of Class A's, people more our age with big pools and crap, and went down there. They're like, yeah, we just asked them. So we went and asked, Brittany went and asked with Reese, and he said, yeah, move on down there. So we're gonna go scope it out, see where we want to be.
We're gonna try to get a pool for Reese.
That'd be awesome.
You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. The first spot was cool, but the fact that this one has more space, flatter ground, and a little more privacy, we're all in. We moved Naughty Sailors over and set her up. Slightly crooked, probably. Yeah, slightly crooked. Jeremiah is OCD. The military man never changes. Gotta be perfectly straight, even if in the middle of a hayfield. Line it up, baby. Mama needs a drink. Soon after arriving, I went over to get our new pool. I was so hoping we could make this happen. Nothing says country camping like lounging in a blow-up pool outside your RV sipping on a cold one. I'm so excited.
Well, all I gotta say is micro bikini. So I'm whispering because I have the baby sleeping on me.
We are at the biggest Country Fest concert in a hayfield. And when we got here, I was like, man, I wish we had a pool. It was starting to get crazy. I was starting to feel antsy because there's just a bunch of shit going on around our RV, which is nice. Everybody was so nice. We were over in that area with it was fun. Half naked girls and foam parties. And then it started getting crazy. They were bringing in the love seats and they were throwing up and they were pissing everywhere. The love seats, like the younger 16, 18-year-olds, 20-somethings, they're bringing the love seats. They're doing beer bongs. They're throwing up. They're pissing everywhere. I'm like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do, right? And we have kids, which is fine. We can adjust, but I felt like the RV was going to get destroyed and we'd probably take home stowaways. And now we got a pool.
I love it.
I wanted a pool.
Micro bikinis.
And we have the perfect spot. I feel like Wisconsin deserves a sticker. We've done Wisconsin.
Oh, on the thing? Yeah.
Yes, I'm so excited. Of course, I had to give everyone a little update. Don't be shy. Hop on my Instagram. We're out here in Wisconsin at Country Fest. Biggest Country Fest in a hayfield. Really nice to feel sexy and hot again. I'm actually in my pre-pregnancy jeans, shorts. We were driving around and we found this sweet empty field. It was amazing. That's where we belong. So I went and talked to the owner and I'm like, please, can we move? And he's like, okay, yeah, move wherever you want. And if you have a problem, talk to me. My name is fill in the blank. I'm like, okay, we're looking for a spot. And our neighbors are like, hey, do you want a pool? And I'm like, yeah, I want a pool. I want to be you're not allowed to be naked here, but I want to be in a thong bikini in a pool where some young teenagers are trying to get in there and piss all in it or something crazy, throwing their empties in it. So I just sweet talked the guy for a pool.
Pool. What the heck was that?
Oh, come on, that was too far.
Yeah, it was terrible.
So, honey, you did a great job today. You got a video done and we're at a Country Fest concert.
Yeah.
I'm really proud of you.
You can reward me later. All right, here we go. Come on. No, you shout to me. I get one more. You do it right. Throw it up high. Pull. What the heck is that?
What do you think of our new spot?
This is amazing. So much better.
I think this video clip might belong in Yellowstone. It's so gorgeous. You have the hat on.
What?
You have the perfect
I got
backdrop.
the gun.
Have you looked behind you at the backdrop?
Beautiful.
You
Alright.
throw.
Should I throw it like you?
No.
Okay.
What are you guys doing here? Shooting ducks?
Oh.
Oh, close. It's
Yeah.
beautiful. I wanted to catch the moment.
We're gonna take the kids over to a concert at 11 o'clock at night.
It's okay because they both just
I didn't
napped.
get it.
Yeah, they'll be alright.
Yeah.
We'll just carry her.
Pull.
Yeah.
And then he can just take a nap tomorrow.
Well, he just woke up from a nap.
Yeah, but like he can,
Yeah, nap again tomorrow. I'm excited. We're going to see John Party.
Is it party? P-A-R?
D-I.
Yeah.
P-A-R-D-I. We have kids, so we can't go back and forth, and we can't spend all day there, but we can go one time a day at least.
Yeah.
We can go multiple, but going one time a day allows us to like enjoy it with them.
Yep.
And it's like we're not running ourselves ragged. And then tomorrow, I expect you out here at 10 a.m. I'll give you a good amount of time filling up the pool for us.
Alright.
And then it's bikinis and cocktails all day. Boys, board shorts, girls, bikinis, you know, milk, water, whatever you drink. And, I'm gonna be in that pool all day long, and then we'll hit up another concert. I think I'm pretty much the only woman here with a baby.
That's alright, because our baby's the only one that can hang. Right, Bryn?
Woo woo! You gonna wave?
Hi.
Hi.
How's the marshmallow roasting, guys?
Good. Pretty fabulous. Family's trying to like just be on track with eating healthy and no allergens. So I picked out a couple different things. Here's one, no sugar, because you know, we have kids and they love sugar. And then these for the graham crackers. Allergen-free, dairy-free, all that good stuff. Chocolate. Things were, okay, and that's what happened.
Oh, it looks so good. That's,
Oh,
oh, it's
man, that
perfect.
looks so amazing.
Oh, that's,
Darn
man,
it.
they're just like regular marshmallows.
They're even better. They're more gooey. But you know, I was dealing with some health problems and then had Bryn, and turns out she's allergic to something in my breast milk. So went even deeper into cutting more things out of my diet. And then Reese, we've been trying to get him on track with just teaching him how to eat healthy without putting all this stuff in his body.
How do you like eating healthy?
I don't like it. I like junk.
Aw, but
Well-
you know, we're experiencing, and I think he's not going to tell you, but he's feeling better for sure.
Yeah.
You can see a difference.
Well, you guys enjoy making your marshmallows.
Dad, we need to get a ball.
Next time, ready to set the pool? So we bought it. Is it our first time using it? It's day 2 and the pool is going up. Oh my god! Good at sticking things in the hole, babe. Cheers, guys. My happy place. But I'm sure they're fun.
the age where
you don't like parties. Loud.
That's what it is.
Then we'll be partying the night away. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.